Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Moto Watch application. Another thing to consider is the battery level on your watch. I would make sure that the battery level is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So if your battery is low, I recommend to charge it. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to open the Moto Watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner to open the profile page. On this page, you should see the list of my devices, and on the list, you should see the Moto Watch 100. Tap on it. Here, find the option called Factory Reset. Select it. Then tap on Begin Factory Reset. And then tap on Yes, Reset Now. Tap on OK. The watch will reboot, and then it will boot into a system. Here we have it. And at this point, the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.